Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bash scripting tutorial series. Today we are going to explore an important aspect of Bash scripting, that is error handling. First, let's understand what error handling is. Imagine your script encounters an unexpected issue like a missing file or an invalid input. Without error handling, the script might crash or produce incorrect results. Error handling allows you to anticipate and react to these situations. For example, I am currently in this directory and I have this script file. Now in this script file, if I try to read a file that named filex.txt and this file doesn't exist, then this script must face some issues. But this script should able to handle that error instead of just crashing. Now in Bash, commands and scripts return a exit code to indicate success or failure. And by convention, 0 indicates a successful execution and non-zero value indicates an error. And one can capture this status by using a special variable $? So let's modify this script to handle this error when the file doesn't exist, but if I want to print the content of this file, what will happen? So here in this script, we use this variable $? To check if cat succeeded or not. If it didn't, then we print an error message. Else it will print the content of the file filex.txt. So let's run the script. So it shows the error message file not found. Now let's create this file and write at least one line. Now again let's try to run the script. So now it doesn't give any error message, but it prints the first line or the contents of the file filex.txt. So this is how you can use error codes to handle your scripts. Now you can also use conditional statements like if, else and elif to handle different types of errors. Let's modify our script to handle multiple scenarios. So here in this script, we first check if the file exists using -f file command. If it does, then we read the file using the cat command, and if not, we print an error. So it reads the contents of this file filex.txt. Now if I remove this file and again try to run this script, then it shows the error message file doesn't exist. You can also use a function to encapsulate error prone operations. This makes your code more cleaner and more modular. So let's see how to do it. So in this script, read file is a function that checks for a file's existence before attempting to read it. If the file doesn't exist, it returns an error code 1. So let's call this function with the argument of the file name. As the file doesn't exist, it shows a error message file x.txt doesn't exist. Bash also provides a built-in command called trap that allows you to catch signals or errors and execute commands when they occur. This is particularly useful for cleaning up resources or handling unexpected interruptions. So let me show you an example script. So in this script, trap catches any error, and script exit, then calls the cleanup function. This ensures that even if an error occurs, we handle it gracefully. So let's run the script. So as you can see that this shows various errors message depending on the operations. So this is how you can use this trap command to handle errors. Now let's go through some more examples where error handling is crucial. Let's write a script to validate user inputs to ensure it's a number between 1 and 10. So first let me write the script, then I will explain. So here in this script, we first have the read command that reads a line of input from the user and stores the value in the variable called number. Then we validate the user to ensure it's a number between 1 and 10. If the input is invalid, we display an error message and exit the script with an exit code of 1. So let's run this script. So let's first enter any number between 1 and 5. So it shows valid input 5. Now if you try to enter a number that is not between 1 and 10, let's say 11, then it shows the error message with exit code 1. So that's how you can handle the errors in Bash scripting. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.